we're gonna find out why we have a new transformer up there on the pole. Alright, welcome back. Davidson's All Natural Gym. Cottonwood lumber on the sawmill, I'm thinking. The base of that tree is pretty big. So I think we'll somehow have to take that down and get her on the sawmill. Sounds like fun, huh? It wasn't here.
It scared the shit out of me. It was under that piece of wood. It scared the shit out of me.
Or Vader play with it?
No. Will it bite me?
Yeah?
It's baby. He doesn't even have his eyes open yet.
Good.
Babe.
I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it or not. We'll find out. I got it cut and it's coming down towards the thing, so I don't know what it'll do. Yeah, it's pushing on it, pinching the saw, so I don't know what it's going to do. I'm going to clean this up though, and then we'll see.
corner. I'll see it.
To climbing no ladders. I can tell you that right now.
I'll hand you the chainsaw.
Yeah, we ain't climbing no ladders. You ain't handing me shit.
It's like really tight right there, and then it's laying right there on that one limb.
Okay, well, here's what I'm thinking. Better plan number 2.
Yeah?
Yeah. Hook a chain right onto the bottom of that.
And then yank it?
Get the case.
Oh, the case will
And
pull it.
freaking pull it over.
That might ruin your sign.
I don't think so. I think it'll just
Drop? You think
drop.
it'll roll and drop?
Yep.
Should we move that?
Nope. I don't think it'll hit it.
That top limb right there, that's that pointy one, will
Oh
roll
yeah,
right over.
It might.
So if it drops, that side's gonna roll and hit this here. I think.
I don't know.
Well, you need a new sign anyway, so.
Need a new sign anyway.
Yeah. Do we want to move these though first?
I don't think so.
Okay. They get damaged. We just stick them up to the pile.
I think it'll be fine.
Okay.
I don't think they're getting damaged.
All right.
But that'll at least get us out of the driveway.
Well, we're out of the driveway now. Yeah.
Right. You want to go get Trish's?
Yeah, let's go get Trish's.
You know,
Hers
we
is
can.
actually blocking the road, right?
Right.
All right.
Hers
Let's
is
go get
blocking the
hers.
road. Right.
Yep.
So, and that way at least we're done. You know,
Yeah,
at least we're out of the driveway and we can get,
right. Yeah.
you know, in and out. We get the trailer in and out. We get the tractors and you know.
Mainly what we were trying to do.
Right. We've accomplished what we wanted to do for now.
Right now, yeah.
I mean, we got a lot of hauling to do and cut that up for campfire wood and
Oh, okay. Yeah, we cut that right up.
she's cracking. It might be gone by the time we come back.
I don't know. Not with that laying on the ground so tight. It's pretty tight up there.
I don't know.
But the way it's twisted, it might come down. It's pretty twisted right there on that one limb.
Never let a good tragedy go to waste. We'll have us some good looking cottonwood lumber.
Sure, it takes a minute. This one.
I doubt it. And we got plenty of cottonwood seeds. We don't need to plant none of these. Yeah, we got one there, one there, and one there. We got 3 more planted. All right, like and subscribe, and we'll ring the bell notification. We'll let you know when it's your turn to come pick up some free cottonwood trees. Right here, we got thousands of them in the driveway. We'll be back. Stay tuned. Hit the bell notification, and we'll see what we do with that tree. Maybe we'll get some lumber out of it. That's I don't know. It's probably over 3 foot across. And it's got to go. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.